Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Blonk is probably one of the most innovative and essential gadgets to hit the market this year, promising to revolutionize your daily routine with its unparalleled efficiency and sleek design, making tasks simpler and more enjoyable than ever before, truly setting a new standard for what we expect from modern technology and offering a seamless integration into your smart home ecosystem. Number 5. Blink Mini Smart Security Camera. Keep an eye on your home day and night. This compact indoor plug-in smart security camera offers 1080p HD video, motion detection, and two-way audio for complete peace of mind. With its live view and two-way audio, you can see, hear, and even speak to people and pets in your home directly from your smartphone. Stay connected, no matter where you are. Receive instant alerts on your smartphone whenever motion is detected. You can even customize detection zones to focus on what matters most to you. It can also serve as an indoor plug-in chime for your Blink video doorbell. Get a real-time alert from it when someone presses your doorbell. Save and share your clips with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan. Alternatively, store them locally with the Sync Module 2, sold separately. Setting it up takes just minutes. Simply plug it in, connect to your Wi-Fi, and follow the easy instructions in the free Blink Home Monitor app. Integrate it with Alexa for even more control. Stream video on Echo Show, receive instant alerts, and manage security features all with your voice. What we like. This compact indoor camera offers clear 1080p HD video and two-way audio. If you need to monitor inside your home and interact with pets or family, this is an excellent choice for discreet surveillance. It's perfect for keeping an eye on things without taking up much space. What people say. Number 4. Blink Outdoor 4 Wireless Smart Security Camera System. Introducing the Blink Outdoor 4, your ultimate wireless smart security camera. It helps you protect your home, both inside and out, directly from your smartphone. Experience stunning 1080p HD live view and clear infrared night vision. With its crisp two-way audio, you can see and speak from anywhere using the Blink app. Enjoy peace of mind with an incredible 2-year battery life. You can set it up yourself in just minutes and get long-lasting power from the included AA lithium batteries. Stay informed with enhanced motion detection. It alerts you faster to activity from your smartphone, thanks to its dual-zone technology. Get alerts when a person is detected with its embedded computer vision, available with an optional Blink subscription plan. You can also securely store and share your footage in the cloud or locally. Get more from your security with Alexa. Connect it to stream video on Echo Show, receive instant alerts, and control features by voice, allowing you to hear and speak hands-free. What we like. This system provides robust outdoor security with an impressive 2-year battery life. If you are looking for a low-maintenance outdoor camera that offers reliable motion detection, it's a great fit. Its enhanced detection helps catch important activity. What people say. No source reviews were provided to extract points from. Therefore, no helpful points can be selected as per the instructions. Number 3. Blink Outdoor 4 Wireless Smart Security Camera System. Introducing our 4th generation wireless smart security camera system. It helps you protect your home, both inside and out, directly from your smartphone. Through the Blink app, you can experience a 1080p HD live view and infrared night vision. It also provides crisp two-way audio, allowing you to see and speak from anywhere. Enjoy up to 2 years of power with the included AA lithium batteries. You can set it up yourself in just minutes, providing long-lasting peace of mind. Receive faster alerts to motion directly on your smartphone. This is thanks to its dual-zone, enhanced motion detection capabilities. With an optional subscription plan, it can even detect people using embedded computer vision. You'll get specific alerts when a person is identified. Securely store your footage in the cloud with a free trial, or back it up locally. This is possible with the included Sync Module 2 and a USB drive. Connect it with Alexa to stream video on Echo Show and receive instant alerts. You can control its security features by voice and speak to people hands-free. What we like. With its advanced person detection and long battery life, this outdoor camera system minimizes false alarms. If you want smarter alerts specifically for human presence and hassle-free outdoor monitoring, this option is ideal. It helps you focus on what truly matters. What people say. No positive product details found in the provided empty source. Unable to extract 2 to 3 helpful points as the source reviews list is empty. Number 2. Honeywell Home RTH6580WF Wi-Fi 7-day Thermostat. Manage your home's climate with ease using the dedicated mobile app. You can adjust settings and monitor temperatures from anywhere, ensuring comfort upon your return. This device integrates effortlessly with popular voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Control your home's temperature with simple voice commands, making life even more convenient. Installing it is a straightforward DIY project. You can easily configure and set it up yourself, saving time and hassle. It is Energy Star certified, meaning it's designed to be highly energy efficient. This helps you save on utility bills without compromising on your comfort. Featuring a large, backlit digital display and simple controls, it offers a user-friendly experience. Adjusting settings is always clear and easy. Its smart response feature intelligently learns your home's heating and cooling cycles. This ensures it delivers the perfect temperature precisely when you need it, optimizing your comfort. It works with various systems including forced air, hot water, steam, and heat pumps with electric backup. Please note, a C-wire is required for installation, and it's not compatible with electric baseboard heat. What we like. This smart thermostat integrates seamlessly with your existing smart home setup and is Energy Star certified. If you're looking to upgrade your home's climate control with voice commands and save on energy bills, this device is perfect. It offers both convenience and efficiency. What people say. Number 1. EUFY Security eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit. This camera works perfectly with your Apple smart home system. It enhances your experience within the Apple ecosystem, making it ideal for those seeking a no-subscription security solution. With its IP67 weatherproof rating, it stands strong in any weather. This ensures year-round reliability for your home security needs, no matter the conditions. You can operate this security camera without worrying about extra costs. No monthly fees are required to enjoy its full suite of features. Its impressive 180-day battery life from one charge provides extended, hassle-free security monitoring. This makes it ideal for wireless outdoor cameras that require minimal maintenance. It uses intelligent human detection, recognizing body shape and face patterns to accurately identify people. This elevates your security measures for a robust home security system. What we like. This wireless camera system stands out with no monthly fees and an incredible 180-day battery life. If you're an Apple HomeKit user seeking a cost-effective, low-maintenance outdoor security solution, this kit is highly recommended. It provides peace of mind without ongoing costs. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.